This is my 1956 Ford Victoria.
Built this 82 Firebird into a sort of a poor man's Ferrari.
Hey, I'm here at the Morris Cruise Night, and I'm with
Bruce Panzer.
Bruce. What'd you bring with you tonight?
My 56 Belair hardtop.
How long have you had her?
Since 2000.
Okay, and did you build the car yourself?
Yes, I did.
How long did the build take you?
7 years.
7 years. Oh my. Okay, let's get started. Give the viewers some details under the hood.
Well, under the hood we got a 350 Corvette motor. I put on 4-wheel power disc brakes. It's got polished tubular A-arms, drop spindles, Be Cool radiator, stainless steel brake lines, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, custom interior, digital dash. I did it tilt column, billet wheel. The list goes on and on.
Wow, you didn't stop at anything, huh?
No, spared no expense on this build.
Okay. And you can see you spared no expense. From top to bottom, what color paint you got going on?
This is burgundy with a champagne pearl over the back.
I love that. I love champagne. Nice plates. If I miss it, is there anything on the car that you modified that I'm not, I'm missing, the viewers should know about?
No, I kept everything pretty much stock, all the trim I wanted to keep. I redid all the trim. I do that as a sideline. And tried to keep everything as original as possible looking on the outside. It's just everything underneath the frame that's been modified. So just to give it the handling, of a new car. Put power steering in there. Serpentine pulley system. So, no air conditioning, no.
You forgot to add that, or you didn't want it?
Didn't want that. I bought a Belair hardtop, and that's for the windows down, not up.
Okay.
Ruins the look of the car.
Oh, wow. I didn't even get this far yet. Okay, the interior.
The interior I designed myself, and I had Ogden top and trim do the stitch work for me. I wanted something a little bit different, so I had them overstuff the cushions and then put the quilted inserts in there.
Yeah?
Sure.
Oh, wow.
Makes a comfortable ride when
It
you're
does,
cruising.
and it sticks out real nice. Yeah, you spared no expense. All digital dash?
Digital dash, put all new windows in, Rainmaster wiper system. It's got LED taillights, painless wiring system.
She's beautiful. How does she ride?
Beautiful. Awesome.
You winning some trophies with her?
Oh, about 40 or 50.
Okay. You go to any out-of-state shows?
Yeah. Last year I went to Wisconsin, took a best in show there.
At the Dells? Up there,
No,
or
that one was at,
Four the Wheels?
that was Racine.
Okay.
That was a show in Racine, their first one. We were the only Illinois car there.
Really? Okay. I'll keep showing her. Definitely. Your trophies are just going to keep going up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I hope you got enough room for them.
We just kind of stack them in the basement.
Get your California dusters, dust them off, right?
Yeah, that's right. They collect a lot.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Check out US Classic Muscle Cars, and we'll have her up shortly, along with all the cars from tonight's event.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Thanks, honey.